Here is the Algerian's International Conference Center. The Arab League Summit will be held here on November 1st and 2nd. Food security and Palestinian issue will be top on the agenda.
The 31st session of the Arab League Summit kicked off on Tuesday evening in the Algerian capital of Algiers. Tunisian President Kais Saied, whose country hosted the last AL Summit in 2019, handed over the presidency of the summit to his Algerian counterpart, Abdelmajid Tebboune, at a symbolic ceremony. Tebboune noted that the summit is being held under complex and sensitive regional and international circumstances, characterized in particular by the escalation of tensions and crises, especially in the Arab world. He urged Arab countries to boost their economic cooperation with the aim to secure the region's food security. The Algerian leader stressed that the Palestinian issue remains at the core of our preoccupations and on the top of our priorities.